Dear customers, my name is Frank Blaze, CEO of Igus. We offer you virtual visits. We can give you assembly tips right into the camera with you interacting. We can visit your machines right on site, talk about the different things that can be done immediately on site. We can give you product detail clarifications and show you, tell you things. We can discuss ambient conditions on site and give you advice. We can look at the range of motions and make drawings online. We can discuss your CAD drawings and try to improve them together. And we can do ambitious things like harnessing projects and 3D access together. We offer virtual presentations with you, with your questions and answers, a lively dialogue. So there are many things we can do together. We are standing ready. We have many different channels. Please contact your local Igus specialist for these channels. I thank you for your attention and we'll see you virtually. Thank you.